search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. The man believed to be responsible for multiple stranglings in East Texas is finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them to a deserted motel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he and Kelsey were participating in an agreed-upon way and that he had no connections to the murders that have plagued the eastern part of the state since last June. The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities.
Oh my God. What are they doing to me? Oh, a shortcut? What is this? Oh, thank you. I might be able to break those locks now. This looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God. Wait, what's that? Please fit in that lock. Please.
This'll be simpler if you sit still.
Oh, shit. I can't see them. You can do this. Think.
Just go away.
Did I lose them? Oh, thank God. There's a gotta be something I can use around here. Are they really gone? In God's name, what is this place? Can I get through there?
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling. Now, let's see where you scurried off to.
Okay, Anna.